Are you tired of struggling with money? Do you feel like you're always one step behind when it comes to your finances? Well, what if I told you that there's a solution to your financial problems? Introducing Law of Wealth, the revolutionary product that exposes ancient secrets of wealth and allows you to attract abundance into your life today. Wealth is not something that just happens to lucky people, it's a result of following a set of principles and taking action. The Law of Wealth product is designed to give you those principles and guide you through the actions you need to take to achieve financial abundance. You might be thinking, oh, I've heard it all before, another get-rich-quick scheme. But let me tell you, Law of Wealth is not a scheme, it's a proven system that has been around for centuries. These secrets have been used by the wealthiest people in the world and are now available to you. So, what exactly is Law of Wealth? It's a comprehensive program that teaches you how to change your mindset, reprogram your subconscious, and take action towards creating financial abundance. It's not just about making more money, it's about understanding the principles of wealth and living a rich life in all areas. Law of Wealth is based on the principles of the Law of Attraction, which states that like attracts like. If you focus your thoughts and energy on abundance, you will attract abundance into your life. This program teaches you how to align your thoughts and actions with the energy of wealth so that you can manifest your desires. The program includes audio and video lessons, workbooks, and guided meditations that will help you transform your mindset and attract wealth into your life. You'll learn how to overcome limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns that are holding you back from achieving your financial goals. But Law of Wealth is not just about theory, it's about action. The program includes step-by-step instructions on how to take action towards creating financial abundance. You'll learn how to set goals, create a plan, and take consistent action towards achieving your goals. The Law of Wealth program has helped thousands of people around the world to achieve financial abundance. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say. I was skeptical at first, but after just a few weeks of using the Law of Wealth program, I started seeing results. My income increased, and I was able to pay off my debts. I now have a clear plan for my financial future, and I feel confident about my ability to create wealth. Sarah B. I've tried so many different programs to attract wealth into my life, but nothing worked until I found Law of Wealth. The program taught me how to change my mindset and take action towards my financial goals. I'm now earning more than I ever thought possible and living a rich and fulfilling life. John D. Don't wait any longer to start creating the life of abundance you deserve. Law of Wealth is the solution to your financial problems. With this program, you'll learn the ancient secrets of wealth that have been used by the wealthiest people in the world. You'll transform your mindset, take action towards your financial goals, and attract abundance into your life today. Order Law of Wealth now and start living the life of your dreams.